So here's the first stage working with Netbeans, and my apologies that I'm going to keep most of these things open for my different classes, but you should probably clean things up. Well, one thing I can do, and what you can do as well, is close Command W the open files. So we want a new project, and it's going to be HTML5. In this case, HTML5 application with existing code or existing sources, because we're going to use the Photoshop project that we did earlier. So we browse to find it. A little bit different to find things here than in other applications. It's not sorted by date, unfortunately. So here I go. This is the whole folder, Beach's website for videos, the whole folder, which will be the Netbeans project. So there it is. I'll open up my root site, and I've got my two main files, which is what we'll work with in this video. And we'll look at the index, and we don't need the output, and see if Chrome works. If it doesn't, you've got other browsers you can use. And I always do find that it works best to control click and go run file rather than pressing the green play button up there. So I'm playing it, and it's opened up in another window as it sometimes does. So window, here it is, and I can cancel that. And it doesn't look great actually in Chrome. You can see that it's off by a pixel. So we'll try it in Firefox or Safari. Safari is bound to work since it's Apple's. And that's better. So first things we'll do are HTML changes. We'll center and give ourselves a nice color on the side. So it's the table that we want to center. So there it is. It's got a bunch of attributes. We're going to add one more. Here we're going to add a line equals center. Save it and refresh. And now we're going to give a nice color on the side. So let me see if I can find this in Photoshop. Well, of course I can. So I'm going to pick up with the eyedropper tool one of these nice blues. Maybe that one. So I'm going to double click on my color, and I'm going to copy the hexadecimal value of it. And I'm going to go over to Netbeans, and I'm going to find where the background color, there it is. Instead of being FFF, it's going to be that. So we'll save it and take a look, see how it looks. So save, refresh, background color. It's okay. Next, what we want to do, we want to make sure that this is working. And I can remember from doing the video earlier this evening that I think it was this one that I did incorrectly, because I named the page page-2, but my link was just page2 with no dash. So let's go back over and fix that, or at least I'll fix it and you'll remember how some of these things work. So that is the name of the file in the same folder. So we need to go find the href. Here it is. We want to href it to page-2 because that's what it is up there. So save, and we'll test that one more time, going back and reloading and clicking on the link. And that's not centered, but that wouldn't be that hard to do, etc. So that's just the basics, and I think we'll even leave it there with nothing else for this first introductory thing, getting Netbeans going.